Hello, I'm Chris from Resideo, and today I would like to discuss with you external control options for the Honeywell whole home dehumidifiers. At Resideo, we offer three dehumidifier models, the DR65, the DR90, and the DR120. The DR65 has an option for an external control that the other models require. Resideo offers several control options. Let's take a look. First, we have the T10 and T10 Plus Pro Smart thermostats. These thermostats control heating, cooling, and dehumidification, as well as other IAQ accessories. The T10 and T10 Plus kit have an expanded dehumidification scale that ranges from 10 to 100%. They also have advanced settings to select the thermostat or the dehumidifier to control the system fan. Next, we have the Prestige IAQ kit. The Prestige IAQ thermostat also controls heating, cooling, dehumidification, as well as other IAQ accessories. It requires a wireless outdoor sensor to display temperature and humidity. Let's not forget the Vision Pro and Vision Pro Smart and Vision Pro RedLink thermostats. These thermostats control heating, cooling, and dehumidification, as well as an IAQ option. They also have advanced settings to select the thermostat or the dehumidifier to control the system fan. Lastly, we have our HumidiPro digital control. This control offers manual dehumidification control and dehumidifier compressor protection. It also has a broad dehumidification scale from 10 to 90%. Thanks for watching. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy.